I'm Coach Mac, Dr. Mike McPherson. This is slide 19. Success is your habit. Got to lead by example. Successful people lead by example, or you hope they do. But anyone, everywhere, should lead by example, right? Be the example to the people looking up to you, because there are people look up to you wherever you're at. Believe that there's someone who looks up to you. Younger brother, younger sister, sibling, a neighbor, somebody is looking up to you. You got to lead by example. If you say it, do it. I've commonly heard, right? Do what I say, do as I say, not as I do. Awful way to lead. Cannot be a leader that way. It's got to be do as I do, because I do it too. People are going to do the behaviors you model. Right? So you tell them not to do something, but that you do it anyways. That's poor leadership. They're going to they're going to do what you didn't want them to do, right? If you want to be a leader, you lead by example. Do the things that you'd like someone else to do. Do the hard stuff. Hold yourself accountable. Model the desired behavior, right? Model that success behavior, and you'll see how things change around you. Lead by example. I wish you success.